2, 1. Hey guys, my name is Jacob. I'm with CM Contracting. I'm here at Ben Williams' house at 1516 South Main Street, Mansfield, Ohio, 44907. I'm going to be repairing this shingle here. This is the RLS match came back as a reasonable match with the Onyx Black Supreme. That is this shingle here. I'm going to be repairing this one. To repair this one, I'm going to have to pull nails out of this line here and as well this line here because it goes up 2 layers of shingles. It's about 13 inch under the shingles. So I'm going to loosen this shingle here. This shingle goes from here to here, hence the 3-tab. Alright, then I gotta get these two. And this one as well. I don't know if you guys can see these granules kind of falling off while I'm doing this. So that should be it there. These are all unsealed. I find where these nails are. Go up to this layer, nails out as well. Shingle. I do want to show that on these shingles over here, that one here, got mat transfer as well as fiberglass under the shingle here. You can see that. So this shingle will never seal back down, as well as a couple more here. See that fiberglass there? Also here, fiberglass on the top here. Yep, fiberglass will never seal back down. Alrighty, so I'm going to put this back in. I'm going to clean this off a little bit, do my due diligence. Put this shingle back in here. As you can see as well, if you want to come over here, you can see that under this shingle, actually, it is a double layer roof. So there's going to be another layer of shingles under this layer of shingles. So this roof is not going to be terrible. I'm going to slide this back in here. Line it up there. This is going back in. Right there. Going in. Yeah, so it's hitting that second layer shingle up there. So There's just a tiny bit off here. Can't really put it in anymore. You're gonna overlap that other shingle. So I'm gonna put this back in here. When I'm doing this, you see I'm gonna have to lift this up 90 degrees so that I can put this nail in the nail line. Can't put it in at an angle. That'll eventually cause a nail pop, and also obviously a wind crease. More creasing to the shingle. It is tough to put these in because of that second layer shingle in there. They do go down. That doesn't want to go in there at all. There we go. There's that layer. I put 4, I only had a couple screws. A couple nails, I mean. I'm gonna put these back in here. I will have to come back and put new nails in here. Again, gotta lift it up. See, I can't get the hammer that way. Put one in here because I do not have enough nails right now. Again, lifting it up, putting it through there. And so that one's in. I got to put 2 more nails in there. I don't have nails on me right now. I'll have to come back and do that. But as you can see, I'm just going to lightly brush my hand over this. You can see granules coming off here. Granules here. Same thing. So it is going to cause a domino effect. I'm damaging this shingle, and also there's a double layer to this roof. I'm gonna have to repair this one, and I'm gonna have to repair this one, and then it's gonna keep going. It's gonna be a domino effect. So, good.